how to copy a Wix website. I'm inside the Wix main page here, and if we want to copy a website or duplicate it, we want to click on these three dots, and from here you will see an option to duplicate the site. Once we select it, it will show up this window. Would you like to make a copy of and your website name? So when you duplicate a site, some business related content such as stores, contacts, invoices, third-party apps will not be included. So here we can set the site name. So I'm just going to leave it as it is. If we click on duplicate here, it will show us the duplicating your website progress. So it might take a little bit of time, but it will give you a prompt here. Your site was successfully duplicated. Check it out. And if we click on it, then here it will show up the duplicate website, and you can edit it from clicking on design site here. So hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.